It's not just city crews working to clear the roadways. Neighbors are helping neighbors to move that snow. WFMY News 2's Lauren Tier is in Greensboro now, sharing stories of snow angels doing their thing. Hi, Lauren.
Hey, Julie. Of course, I do want to talk about those snow angels, but I'm going to talk a little bit about the commotion that's going on behind me. We have been stalking this crew in downtown Greensboro for probably the last hour or so, and they are slowly but surely making their way down Elm Street, really targeting these large piles of accumulated snow on curbs as well as sidewalks. They're filling up dump trucks that are going away, emptying their dump trucks, and then coming back to be refilled. And while these city crews are hard at work now, over the weekend, there were some of those snow angels across the Triad helping out their neighbors. In Stokes County, one man decided to help one of his neighbors clear her driveway not once, not twice, but 4 different times. It's a job she says she could not have done on her own.
It makes you feel great to know that there's people out there that will take the time to help somebody else out.
Another man in Forsyth County used his own plow to clear the driveways of some elderly neighbors. He says even though his feet were numb by the end of yesterday, offering the physical labor was absolutely worth it.
Well, it's just something I do. I've always done volunteer work most of my life, so it's not a problem with helping other people. And I enjoyed it, and I do it again.
Again, it's getting dark out here, but still these city crews are hard at work in downtown Greensboro. As I said before, we've seen them take multiple loads of these dump trucks, drive away, empty the dump trucks, come back and pick up more of this snow. Again, this is on Elm Street, and like I said, they're really targeting these large piles of accumulated snow. City officials say that the salt supply for Greensboro is also sufficient after they received 1,100 tons of salt this past Friday. So they're making progress on primary roads and then moving on to those secondary roads as they make their way across Greensboro. Live in downtown Greensboro, Lauren Tier, WFMY News 2.